Hello traders, let's have a daily review for August 17, 2022. So as per the weekly bias, we are just focusing to sell crude oil, but today we had some choppy price actions, and one of the reasons was related to FOMC meeting minutes, which was released like 2 hours ago. And the price action today, as you can see, the 4 hour order block, the current view that you can see is the 1 hour time frame, and the H4 order block was created yesterday as we pushed the price to the downside, and today was only this kind of choppy price actions, this kind of consolidation, but still we can see the same storyline and the same pattern that every day we are focusing and we are explaining to you, and by time I'm sure you will learn it and you will get used to it. We are going to have some more focus and deeply studying on these concepts so you can have a much better understanding, and of course you need to practice yourself to master this kind of transaction idea. So here, as you can see, the price was consolidating during the day, and then price from here it pushed up, and this was the manipulation of the day by retesting this 4 hour order block and moving back inside this 1 hour fair value gap. As you can see, this there is a gap, there is a fair value gap between this um, low of this up close candle and this high of this down close candle. There is a distance between these two, so we call this fair value gap. So price is moving back to this 1 hour fair value gap. As I mentioned during the previous sessions, price is even moving above that, but it's not closing above this fair value gap. And as you can see, it's just creating wick and then it's coming back and closing below that. So that's a confirmation, and you can see all these gaps and order blocks are acting as kind of resistance and support. Because we don't believe in support and resistance, the normal concepts in a smart money um, idea. So that's why we are focusing to have this kind of logics as acting as support or resistance. So here, this fair value gap and this order block, you can see, is acting as resistance. So price is getting rejected from this area, and if we go to 15-minute chart quickly, we can see here the price was rejected and came down, and then it created another gap. But again, during this release of this FOMC meeting minutes, price moved up, and it's showing some choppy price actions, which actually we don't recommend to trade this kind of price action. But here we can see this 15-minute gap, the fair value gap in 15-minute time frame. It's just created and it's acting as another resistance now. Price went inside, got rejected, so we have to see if this is acting as resistance, and because there also market structure got shifted here. This was the last low which got broken, it comes down, and now most probably we have to see the price to go down. So about the targets for the tomorrow and maybe even can be achieved on Friday. If I go back to one hour chart, the target for sure we are looking to yesterday's low, which is August 16 Tuesday's low. So first target, we want this price to come down and hit this target, which is achievable by tomorrow, Thursday. And after that, very optimistic target for the week can be this daily fair value gap, which I have to move to daily time frame to show you where this is happening. This fair value gaps is existing there. So this will be very optimistic price target for the week at 81.26. But let's focus on this 85.73 for as a first target, and then it has to push down to reach to this target, which is very optimistic target. So that's it. I'm wrapping up this session, and I'll talk to you tomorrow again for Thursday daily review. Please hit the subscribe button, and it is good if you mention your comments so we can see what you like, and we create more content similar to your interest. Have a great day and good luck for the rest of the week in your trading.